8264 New Leaf. There's no wood to maintain around the garage door. There's no wooden frame. Oh, fire hydrant here. So that's nice. One less thing to worry about. The paint condition of this brown frame and the blue door is really good. Tile at the entry, and then laminate. It looks like they've taken very good care of things, but it doesn't look like the most expensive laminate. It's a small area. We have the correct 2.5-inch forward blinds. There probably need to be a touch up when they remove curtain rods and shelves and things like that. It's totally normal. Nice upgraded light fixture. Carpet looks great. The paint on this stairway looks good. Light fixture looks great, as does the mirror. Paint looks good. Nice faucet. This home has a really nice, clean, well-kept feel to it. Oh my god, there's a cat, sorry. Sorry. I'm gonna, oh my gosh. I'm gonna close that, okay. Okay. Alright, coming over here, we have tile in the kitchen. Beautiful counters. There we go. So just noting, we don't have verticals here. We have blinds that are missing. So we'll probably need a window treatment here when they move out. If Jenny thinks, if not, you know, we have no windows facing this area, so there's actually some privacy. This is fake grass. Great space for entertaining. Enough green that it's pretty, but very minimal maintenance. Carpet looks really good. The paint condition is good. Carpet looks great. Blinds look new. Tile looks good. This is a... Okay, wow, the grout is so clean. I thought it was a one piece, but... tile. Upgraded light fixture, even in the kids' room. Nice size closet. This is a nice wide hallway. This is a purple room. But everything looks really nice. Little chip in the paint there. There's probably going to be some touch-up anyway when they move out, so that's easy to remedy. Grayish walls. These are tan. So this is a different color room. Upgraded light fixture and carpet looks great.